Welcome home. This is the Irish Roots Cafe, where every day is a holiday and there's always room for one more. This is the Irish Family's worldwide broadcast, the first ever of its kind. I'm Michael Laughlin, your host. What is it all about? Well, it's just about anything Irish in the world, especially in the U.S., Australia, Canada, Ireland, and England. But we're always looking for those other places too, so don't tune us out. Give us a call. Let us know what's happening in your part of the world. And please do call in with your observations and family history if you have a mind to. What kind of things have we talked about here over the last 3 years? Well, coat of arms, genealogy, tartans, festivals, four-leaf clovers, DNA, Ross Castle prophecy, and dance history and fun. What else do we give you on our podcast? And you can also go to our blog to check out the written form of the podcast if you'd like to. But we talk about the history of the family name of the week. We pick a family name and give the history of it, a name like Fitzgerald, and talk about it. And curious news and notes from Ireland, what's happening here at the cafe, the website of the month, and member family searches and interviews are included. Really, it's whatever strikes your fancy. Now, we've also covered several interesting things this year. We've just done a little bit on the Dublin Irish Festival. We talked to Allison out there, and she told us how the festival gets put together and how much fun it is and how many surprises you might get. We talked about how DNA says that the O'Donohues of the Glen are really not the O'Donohues of the Glen. And how about Irish newspapers in America? Molly, the Irish dancer. Puff Daddy Brown, that's an interesting one for sure. And what about the roots of Muhammad Ali, John McCain, and Barack Obama? Yep, they all claim Irish roots, and we talk a little bit about it there. But we've overdone our limit here. I'm just asking you to listen into this podcast. It's one of 3 that we've got out there. It's our lead podcast. And now it's time for Sweeney to clear the floor, Katie bar the door, Molly put on another pot of Irish coffee. Let's get this show on the road.